Welcome to the City of Southlake Parks and Recreation registration page. Today we will discuss how to create a new account and how to purchase a membership for Champions Club at the Mark Southlake. We will begin by clicking on the link in the top right hand corner that says Create an Account. Please be sure to read all of the information listed at the top of the page, as it will give you helpful information as to how to navigate the page and just basic information that you'll need to know while setting up your account and purchasing a membership. If you are a City of Southlake resident, please be sure that you enter your address the same as it appears on your water bill. This way, our GIS validation system will be able to recognize you as a resident and make sure that you get the resident discount on all purchases after setup. Be sure that you fill out all of the boxes on the page that have a red asterisk near it. You will not be able to navigate away from the page until those things are completed. Please note that your email address is a required field. Your email address will be used as your online account login, so be sure to use an account that you have access to and that will be easy for you to remember. As we scroll down to the personal information page, you'll be asked for your role in the family. There are four different options: primary contact, secondary contact, dependent, or plus one member. A plus one member is someone who cannot be claimed on your IRS taxes, such as a grandparent or a nanny or a babysitter, but is somebody that you want on your account and someone who you may want to assign a pass using a family pass. Be sure that you also select your gender. That could be used later on if you sign up for any kind of parks and recreation programming that is separated by gender. When you add your date of birth, be sure to add be sure that whoever's creating the account is over the age of 13. You must be 13 years of age and older to hold an account in ActiveNet. The next section is our emergency contact page. Be sure that you fill this information out, as it will be required for you to move forward. As I mentioned before, the email address is required, as it is going to be the login name for your online account. Your email address below here under the account information section is already auto-populated. From here, we'll just create a new password. If you would like to add additional family members, you'll want to click on the Create Account and Add Family Member button. Otherwise, click on the Create Account button. Please be sure that you add all members of your household now as you create your account, so that if you want to register them for programs or memberships or activities later, they're already on your account. You will not be able to add new members to your account online after you've created your initial account. You will have to come in person, or you'll have to give us a call at 817-748-8955 in order to have any edits done to your account. For now, we're going to just create our account. Once you've created your account successfully, you'll get a pop-up that says thank you and that the customer account has been successfully transmitted. We'll click OK. Our account is now complete. From here, we'll want to purchase our membership. So you'll have three options on the page to create your membership. One on the top banner, the second one in the middle of the top of the page, and the third under Online Services, Purchase Membership. From there, you'll come to the membership search page. You'll scroll down the page and figure out which one of the passes or family memberships or memberships in general you would be most interested in. Once you find the one you want, you'll click on Add to Cart. This will give you more details about that individual membership. If you see everything is correct, you'll want to go down to the bottom of the page where it says Add to My Cart. Here you'll get participant information. If you have multiple people on your household, you'll have multiple people to choose from in your drop-down menu. Since we just have one person on our household, we have the one option. We'll select that person, and that is who the adult pass will be assigned to. From here, we'll click Continue. The next page will be the membership detail page. This is where you'll see what the membership fee is and what it is that you have, any discounts that are applied. Additionally, you'll see the automatic free member guest pass that you get each month. So each month that you renew, you get one guest pass if you have a single membership. If you have a family pass or family membership, you'll get two guest passes per month. Everything looks great, and we're going to press continue. This will take us to our shopping cart. Again, we'll be able to see all of the items that we have put into our shopping cart or that we want to purchase. Additionally, you'll have information about your waiver. If you would like to read through the waiver, you can click on the link that says Membership Waiver. This will give you a pop-up so that you can scroll down the page and read the waiver information. Once you're done, you can click OK or click the X. You will need to sign your initials in order to move forward. Once you have read over the waiver and put your initials in the box, you'll click Checkout. On this page, you'll be able to determine whether you want to pay for this via credit card or electronic check. Please note that all Champions Club memberships will be on a recurring payment basis. So you will need to leave a credit card or electronic funds transfer information in order for your auto renewal each month. In this case, we're going to select a credit card. Enter your payment information. And then from here, you'll click on the button that says Save Card for future use. Be sure that whatever card you use initially to set up your account and put on your account is the card that you want to be auto debited each month. You do have the opportunity to change your credit card information at a later time, but just so you don't forget about that, we want to make sure that you know that whatever card you use today will be the card that will be used for future billing dates. We'll click Add, and now we have that credit card added to our account. At this point, we have everything on here and we want to make our purchase, so we'll select the button that says Pay. From here, you'll get to your confirmation page with your receipt number. Our transaction has been complete. We've created an account and we've purchased our first membership. If you'd like to view a printable receipt, you can press on the link that says View Printable Receipt. This receipt will bring up when your transaction happened, as well as a very detailed report of all the things that you've purchased and your account information. This will also give you a copy of the waiver that you signed on the previous pages with your initials off to the side to indicate that we know who it is. You can print by clicking the print button, or you can close the window. Please note that after every transaction is complete, you will get an automatic email from Active Network with your detailed information. So again, that completes the process of creating a new account in ActiveNet for the Southlake Parks and Recreation registration page, as well as purchasing our first membership. If you do have any questions or have any other concerns, please feel free to give us a call at 817-748-8955.